Hi there! I am here today with a Sezane unboxing. So Sezane is a lovely brand based out of Paris, and I don't remember how I discovered it. I want to say Taylor Sterling from Instagram wore something, and I just fell in love with the brand, and I've been to their location, all of their locations actually. They have two in Paris and one in New York in Soho. And I absolutely love it. This is the first time I'm buying something online, and I also have a couple items that I'm wearing. I'm wearing Mathilde Dress, which also comes in a blouse, and I have a couple items behind me, which I will also show you. But yeah, this is the first time that I'm buying online, and I thought I would show you what it's like to get something from Sezane online, because they're relatively new when it comes to leaking into the US. Like, I had never heard of them until they were really in New York. So really happy to get my hands on a piece. And yeah, I'll talk about this domain initiative. It's a charity initiative that they're doing. I will talk about that at the end, but yeah, let's get right to this. I got this yesterday and I'm like, I have to save this for tomorrow when I'm working for an unboxing, so I will get right to it. But first of all, actually, I will talk about duty. So I'm in Canada, and I got charged $60 duty on this item, which is super high. I was not happy about that. And duty is always a risk. Some brands like Everlane and others like include duty in their shipping and in the price. So that's really nice. So you know what you're getting or know what you're paying for. So Sezane didn't have that, and it charged me $66. I have the paper right here. $66.57. on a shirt that is $120. So that was super high. I was not happy about it because the duty is actually $26 and the GST is $22. So I'm just like, it's all very silly, especially considering I got another item and I was charged only $20 duty on that. Anyway, I contacted Sezane and I was like, hey guys, I love you so much, but this happened. It's the first time I've ordered online, and I'm like, I have all these items, like, can you refund my shipping? And they did, which is $15. So I got some money back. It didn't cover everything, but Sezane is excellent customer service, and honestly I sent that email and they're like, oh, wait for 48 hours to receive a response, and I got it within like an hour, and I got the refund first. So they had really excellent customer service. Anyway, stop talking, Caitlin. Here we go. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. So the box is lined with their domain. This is like a really cute lettering, and then this is what the inside of the box looks like. So this is very, very pretty. Bonjour Instagram. Okay, yeah, so this is actually what I was talking about. This is a little postcard, and they talk about the domain initiative and the 3 actions that they're taking. This is all in French though, so you can find this information in English. I'll link that below on their website. So yeah, I'll talk about that a little later. So here we go. What I love so much about Sezane is the quality and the interesting items that they have. Like, it's absolutely beautiful, and a lot of items you can wear 2 ways, including this top, which is why I got it. So, oops. This is called the Line Blouse, and this comes in white as well. And so you can wear it as this as the front, or this as the front. So this is a square neckline. I'll put the tag down, and I'll try this on for you guys in just a second. But it's a nice square neckline. It's absolutely beautiful. It also comes in a dress that comes in black, and it's just so pretty. And it has elastic sleeves, which is like my new requirement. I have 2 children under 3 years old. You can probably hear them. They're completely supervised, but they're out there. And I just like elastic sleeves for having to change a diaper. It's practical. Anyway, this is a lot thicker than I thought it would be. The fabric is like crocheted. What is it? Completely 100% cotton. And another reason I like Sezane so much is that they use really lovely materials. Like, there's a lot of brands that I've loved, and then they've just slowly moved all the materials to like synthetics and polyester, which is good, like, which is appropriate in some instances, but like when it comes to a blouse that's long sleeve, I can't wear polyester. It gets too hot, and then it stinks, and I have to throw the blouse out anyway. So love that this is cotton, and this is going to be perfect for the fall, like the summer and spring if I layer it. So I will try this on for you along with my other items. And this is the line blouse. So you can wear it both ways. You can see in the back that it has a square neck, and I actually bought it because I prefer that side better, but I'll show you this side too. It is pretty see-through, so I'd recommend wearing a tank top underneath. And I got a 34, which is a size 2, and it's a little tight right here, but as you can see, if I went up a size, I have really small shoulders. I'm usually a size 4 in tops, but if it is floaty on the bottom, I usually get a size 2 because my shoulders are really small. But yeah, if you can see, it gapes a little bit. I feel like a size up would gape a little bit on the back. So this is what the side looks like. Like I said, it comes in a white, which I also like, but I already have a beautiful blouse in white from them. So I thought I would test out the red, which I think is a really fun summer color. So this is called Poppy Red, which I also like because my daughter's name is Poppy. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then that's the back. The back has a tag that you can easily take off, so I'll take a look at that and maybe take the tag off because I really like this. I think it's so pretty, and I think it'll be great with shorts, and it'll be nice and airy. Yeah, I just have to find a nice tank top to go underneath it because I currently don't have one for some reason. But yeah, oh, so gorgeous. Let me give you a close-up of the fabric. I'm really impressed with how thick this is. It doesn't feel, I don't know, cheap. Like, I really love the thickness of their fabrics, the quality of them. So pretty. And then this is the other side. Oh, I just absolutely adore this. You can see what the ruffles look like in the back. And it's this really pretty dramatic shoulder. So yeah, I'm gonna totally take this. Take the tag off. The buttons have elastic on them, so it does give a little bit. And I love it. What's really nice about the Sezane site, they talk about sizing and they're pretty specific for each item. So they said if you're between sizes, go for the smaller one. So that's what I did. Oh yeah, and also they like show and model both ways of wearing this. So I absolutely love that. I think this is the first time I've seen it on a blouse. Usually they have it with knits, and they have a really gorgeous dramatic V with knits. So I was really happy to find this one because I think it's really versatile to be able to wear it two ways. Oh, it's so cute. What I'm wearing is called the Mathilde Blouse, and it is a wool blend dress with just this nice little tie detail. So you can see behind me that it is an A-line, almost shift dress, and then I have these little pockets. Super cute. I actually tried this, like, I pre-shopped. I got this in Paris, and I pre-shopped online for Sezane, and I didn't see this at all. Like, this wasn't on my radar. So I saw it in store and tried it on, and I just think it's super flattering. It's a wool blend, so it's nice for winter, and it's lined with I think a black cotton. So I absolutely love this. It also comes, it's sold out right now. I'll link it below because sometimes they restock everything. And then they also have a blouse called the Juliet, which is in stock right now. And so that one comes, it's almost like the top of your waist. So your hip bones, top of your hips. So very cute, highly recommend. And this is especially like a really good work look, I think. And it's so comfortable. I've worn this on date nights with over the knee boots, and yeah, I just love it. It's really comfy. I could wear this all day. Nice and easy dress. Now I am wearing the Sezane Ninon blouse, Ninon, N-I-N-O-N. I've talked about this before. It was part of my 10x10 challenge, which is another video I'm about to make. But it is this gorgeous lace blouse. It's part of their permanent collection, and one thing I should have mentioned is Sezane has capsule collections that they come out with every month, and once they're sold out, they're sold out. And then they have things that are permanent, part of their permanent collection, so I suppose like things that have sold really well. So this is part of their permanent collection. It's currently sold out, and it comes in red and black along with this color, which is called Ecru, E-C-R-U. And it just has these gorgeous ruffles here, and this ruffle that goes all the way to the back. So let me just, you have to see the detail in this. It's gorgeous. If you follow me on Instagram or watch any other video, I'm wearing this shirt all the time. It's like almost, and it's also like I wear it for date nights all the time with my husband. I absolutely love it. I wanted to actually own it in red, but I'm really happy to have it in white because I think it's very classic, and then I'm gonna have it forever and ever. So I'll just show you the back of it. And I am just wearing a nude bra underneath this. I don't wear tank tops underneath this because I feel the lace is so nice and thick that you can't really see underneath, and I don't think that it is revealing. It's a nice long length, you can see back there, but you can tuck it in, which I will awkwardly do on camera. I have been wearing this with dark jeans through the winter, and now it is getting into spring, so I want to lighten things up a bit, but that's what it looks like tucked in. Love this one. This one I got in a size 4, which is a 30. Their sizes are European sizes, so it's a 36. And I got it in a size, which is a size 4 US, so just for reference. And this is the Izaac shirt. So this is a silk, partially silk, part polyester. I think it said 88% silk. And it has these gorgeous gold and silver flecks on it. So it's actually really nice for jewelry. So if you have anything gold or anything silver, this combines it all. And it's like this really pretty peachy blush color. So untucked, it looks like that on the back. And in the front, has this really pretty ruffle that goes all the way down. You can see that. The neon blouse that I forgot to mention its contents. It is 85% cotton and then 15% nylon. So I really love this, and I have to say, in between all my takes, I've been just like pose city, just like, you know how you like something and it makes you feel pretty, and you're just like, I like this. I look nice. That's what I've been doing in between when I cut. Anyway, and that is one of the biggest reasons I really like this brand, is it just makes me feel pretty. I feel really confident in it. It's really girly details. It's really beautiful details. It's stuff that I haven't seen before, and it's well made. And like I said, like you'll see in a minute, I'll talk about the charity initiative, but they do a lot of great stuff. So it's a brand that I really love to support. I'm going to New York in April, so hopefully I will have enough of my budget left. I've been spending. Hopefully I'll have enough of my budget to visit them again there. And yeah, big fan of this brand. And this is the Izaac shirt. And this one I could have gone a smaller size in. If you look online, I think it says if you're between sizes, go to the smaller one. And I didn't do that, so I did try this on in store, and I kind of like the flowy feeling. It gets easy to do the Macarena. I'm not sure what this is, but it's easy to like dance and move around in it. So I absolutely love it. But yeah, really nice. Again, I like it better. I think I like this one better with dark jeans or pants all tucked in. It's a little pirate Seinfeld shirt, but I'm okay with that because I also think it's beautiful. And who doesn't like a Seinfeld reference? Post City, like I said, can't help it. And my last piece from Sezane is called the Hope Bag. So it is a bucket bag, and it comes in so many other colors. I think this particular one is sold out. This is the black leather with studs, but it also is like a blush with studs. It also has like a black suede and leather combo. Like there's so many. I'll link it below. You have to check them out because they're absolutely beautiful. And I love a bucket bag, but I don't really like how sloppy it looks. But I like how functional it is because I just love to just throw my stuff in. And what I love so much about this one is the detail, the gold studs, which are on the front and the back, so it goes all the way around. I love the chain detail, which it's so nice. This is jewelry. Like I just absolutely love this. It feels like this beautiful necklace. When you have it just sitting there, it's just like, it's art. Like I just love this bag so much, and I would love another bag from them, but we'll see. Anyway, you can wear it short like this, so you can see what that looks like behind me too. And then you can wear it long. And what's so nice is that the chain just goes all the way through, and it's protected because it has the eyelets. So anyway, you can wear it long, shoulder. And I'm 5'3" for the reference. I like this height, like I can reach everything. And I like being able to just pull it open beside me and find like whatever I need. Otherwise, I also like that, you know, I wear it on date nights. I think it's pretty, but it's a bucket bag. So I think the style itself is casual enough for every day, and it's just this really buttery smooth leather. And I got it in December, and I've actually used it quite a bit. It also has these little studs on the bottom, so when you put it on something, like that supports it. But yeah, it's just a really beautiful quality. Oh. I'm really moving towards finding clothing, I call them pieces because I like them so much, that I just really like, and they're expensive, but as far as I'm concerned, it's an investment. And as I'm getting older, you get kind of sick of your clothing falling apart, and you want to find things that you really love and that are special, and Sezane is that for me. So I will sit back down and I will talk to you about their charity initiative. So I'm going to talk about their domain initiative because I think it's important to, I don't know, like when you're talking about these brands and they do really good things, you should know about it. So the brand is started by Morgane Cesalery. I have some notes here, so I hope you don't mind me reading off of them. I just want to make sure I'm saying everything correctly and in their words. And so Domaine, which means tomorrow in French, is a charity initiative which helps children whose prospects are unfairly disadvantaged. So it seems to be a year-long initiative, and it's not tied to one particular charity, but what they're doing is they're collecting money 3 different ways to help support the Domaine projects. So the projects that are under the Domaine umbrella. There's some more information on the site. I will link that below. But one of the ways that they're doing it, on the 21st of each month, they have new designs, and the profits from that will go to the Domaine projects. And then 10% of sales of anything that day will be donated to projects supported by Domaine. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I know I'm not saying that right because it's French and they sound so lovely, and I'm Canadian and I do not. But so if you're gonna buy any of these items or like search Sezane, you're gonna fall in love with it because their stuff is absolutely stunning. Go purchase something on the 21st. It's beginning of February right now, so you have some time to really think about it because they're beautiful. I can't say enough nice things about Sezane. The duty sucks. So if you're going to the States, go to New York, go to their boutique in Soho. It's in Lower Manhattan. Otherwise, if you're in the States, shipping to you, they have free returns for shipping, and then they also have free delivery if you purchase something over $200, which is really easy to do at Sezane. So they have 3 ways. So the 21st of each month, the purchases. They are opening a charity boutique in March. I am assuming it's in Paris. So it includes Worn and Loved Sezane prototype samples, and the profits for that go to support Domaine projects. I'm not sure if it's all the profits or a percentage. And then thirdly, their staff is committed to volunteer, so they're donating their time for these projects. So keep along. There's it's hashtag Domaine. Along with their initiative. I think it's really cool. I think this design is beautiful. They have just a plain t-shirt with this on it on their site. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I am doing another one in 1 second with Swedish Has-Beens. I just bought my first pair of clogs from them, all the way from Sweden. And super fast shipping, I also have to say. I ordered this on Thursday, this item from Sezane, and I got it Monday yesterday, so super fast. Same with Swedish Has-Beens. But yeah, subscribe below. I have a blog, I have Instagram, I have Facebook, I'm kind of everywhere, so just choose your platform and say hi to me there. I would love to do that. And that's it. Have a good day.